This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Vacant. Luxury living at this high-end, brand new construction. This spacious 4-bedroom townhome includes open floor plan on first floor with living room/dining room combo. An extra room can serve any purpose, a den, playroom or just more space. Master bedroom is located upstairs with beautiful ensuite bathroom and a large walk-in closet. Also upstairs are 3 other bedrooms, a main bathroom and a laundry area. The home was built with many upgrades: quartz countertops in kitchen and bathrooms, designer cabinets, stainless steel appliances, tiles throughout bottom floor and all bathrooms, quality vinyl flooring in bedrooms and no carpet anywhere. Centrally located only half a mile from shopping and entertainment, and yet quiet and private. The community features security gate, swimming pool, park, biking and walking paths and more. Minutes drive from Disney parks and other attractions. Vacant and available to show any day. For more information,